Hello everyone, Hatem from Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. As we always promise, sure. Today we brought for you the couple of beautiful controls, a PlayStation 4 modded control, a PlayStation 4 normal control, a PlayStation 5, a PlayStation 0. We're gonna compare them to each other. I'm gonna tell you my opinion about each one of them, what's the difference between them, and which one I prefer more. Okay, as for PlayStation 4 controller, there is nothing new. I bought for him the thumbstick and control freak, the aiming assistant. It's not helped that much, but anyway, better than nothing. PlayStation 4 controller for small hand people that they have small hand, it's the best for them. For example, like kids or people that they have small hands, because it's small size. As you see, you can reach anywhere, even if there is here modded bottoms, you can play on them. It's small and not bad, but it could be better. Anyway, we will move here to the PlayStation 4 modded control. This is here have a modded bottom. This is for a drop shot, rapid fire, and a lot of other modes. But actually, this one, there is a guy. He is in Poland. He sent it to me he's selling eBay. But this one have issue, you know. I not even touch. I not play with it. It's have issues. So if you, for example, tell me which one you prefer, it's the same like normal one. If you're gonna ask me which one I prefer, I'm gonna tell you the modded control is better. Why? Because sometimes you need some mods. Not, for example, in Tekken combo and stuff like this, you need some mods, but not this one. There is another modded controller better than quality than this one. This one is not good, but it's the same like PlayStation 4. Also same, nothing new. Let's come to the real deal, to the PlayStation 5 controller. It's more heavier than PlayStation 4 controller, which is mean it's more heavy. And if you see about control, it's bigger. Watch, for example, if we will put them beside each other, it's more big size here. It's more big size than the PlayStation 4. And this is need big hands, to be honest with you. Not so much, but if you have a smaller hand, you're gonna suffer a little bit to play with it. This trigger, by the way, you know, guys, this trigger that you're talking about, this he do like this and he press, he do like this and he press. This is in PlayStation 5 games only. I mean, this trigger bottom is not work as aiming in, for example, in Cold War. I don't know if it's gonna work or no, but anyway, in PlayStation 5 games only. I tried in PlayStation 4 games, it's not working. But the beauty in the PlayStation hand controlling, honestly, it's the best controlling shape. Yeah, I hate them operative system for PlayStation. It's stupid system as hell. PlayStation 5 is garbage. But honestly, as control, it's so beautiful. The vibration and the haptic touch and inside this one is amazing. No compare, honestly, with PlayStation 4. Vibration here is almost like PlayStation 3. Nothing special. But here, honestly, you do like this, you reload. The vibrate inside is amazing. The way how you hold the hand is so beautiful. Even the shape here, see how it's visible, you know, which is mean you can see the bottom inside. Here is have mic, you can mute it. So for example, let's turn on hand. See, you have light here and you have light. You don't have lights here. See, here you have lights here, but you don't have it here, just like this. But here you have it around. See, you can also customize this light. Here you have speakers and mic, which is mean you don't need to buy mic or anything. You can mute it, as you see, guys. Here it's like this, muted, like this is on. You can connect speaker here, sure, if you want to. But what to tell you? Here you need external mic. The sound almost the same. Sound of speakers almost the same. But this one is really another different way. I mean, another kind of experience. Sure, here we have here the rest bottom, and this is the another mic here, which is mean the sound will be amazing. This is another mic here, which is mean it's gonna be better for talking and like this. The way that even looks like PlayStation 5 controller is better than PlayStation 4 or any other controller. Even Xbox, the last one, I didn't like controller. Are you kidding me? Controller have the controller for Xbox need battery. Which 1960 you are still living? I will put out and change battery, put charger battery. You're psychic or what? Sure, better for me to connect like this and play directly. Even if it's out of charge, I can put cable and continue playing. But in Xbox, you have to change battery and stop the game. And like, I mean, this is Xbox. I don't want to talk about even. It's garbage. Anyway, it's the point here. I want to tell you, when you play Playroom for first time in PlayStation 5, you understand what I'm talking about. The haptic touch here is so amazing. Touchpad here is better than, it's more bigger than touchpad here. See, it's no compare. Touchpad is more big and smooth. It's have the vibration here. You know, guys, the Sonic, when he go here, you do your hand like this, they start to go here. You feel that they are really something inside hand, like liquid or like something. Go like this and go like this. It's amazing experience. You will try it here. I never honestly try something like this ever in my life. No PlayStation 4, no any other controller have like this. I wish that they will start in the future create modded controls for PlayStation 5. Honestly, it's beautiful. I don't know, guys. You see, mention here is shining, here is not. I don't know why they did like this. Here shining, here not. Weird. But anyway, it's beautiful. It's beautiful control, and I have no any clue about it. I wish just that this click button, they manage it, that they can cancel it, because in the stupid Call of Duty Mobile, they make this click button beating by hand like this, so I cannot shoot. Stupid Call of Duty. So anyway, this was my opinion. The click buttons here, you know, guys, almost the click buttons here almost same, you know, just because this is new. Same click button. Almost same feeling here. But honestly, PlayStation 5, the bottom is more wide, which is mean I can more reach it easy. So anyway, guys, don't forget to hit thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, sure, and you can make the bell so you can reach every new video I'm gonna download it. I will see another video with Hatem Objection. Peace and love for every one of you. Bye bye.